In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and remove your employees' credentials. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. If you are logged in under a location, you will be able to view your employees' credentials, but you won't be able to add, edit, or remove them. Then click on Employees and choose the employee whose credentials you would like to view. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Deployments. Choose Credentials from the drop-down menu. Now you should see a list of your employees' credentials. These are things like their trainings, their certifications, their qualifications. If you want to view the status or edit a credential, you can click on that credential and edit anything in here. If you are logged in under a location, you won't be able to change any of this information, but you can still click on that credential and view all of the information. Let's say I want to add a note. I can go down to the bottom and type in maybe still needs work. If I don't want to save this, I can choose close. I do, so I will choose save. And now that note has been added to that employee's credential. If I want to add a credential, I can click on the Add button at the top of the chart. First, pick the name of the credential by clicking on the arrow and choose one from the drop-down menu. Let's say CPR training. The status will automatically be marked as pending. If the employee has completed this credential, you can click on that status and change it to complete. Then you can add the due date, we'll say the end of the month, and the completed date. Let's say today. If this is a multi-day training, you can choose the start and end dates. Then you can give them an external ID, an authority score, an authority coverage, the authority item ID, the physical item ID, and any notes. None of that applies because this is a restaurant CPR training. If you changed your mind and don't want to add this credential, you can choose close. I do, so I will choose add. And now that credential has been added. Let's say I made a mistake. Maybe I added this credential to the wrong employee's profile and I want to remove it. I can click on that credential, then choose remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove that credential. If you don't, choose cancel. I do, so I'm going to click OK. And now that credential has been removed. Anytime you make a change to any of your credentials, whether you're adding them, editing them, or deleting them, a little green save bar will appear at the bottom of your chart, letting you know when that action was performed and that it has been saved. That's how you can add, edit, and remove credentials from your employees. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.